Hey, what's up, everyone? Black Friday's here again. And if you've been thinking about kicking off your website or online business, you have to check out this crazy deal from Hostinger. Right now, they're slashing prices with up to 80% off on web hosting plans. But hold up. If you use the coupon code I've got for you, you can score a 91% discount. Oh, and as a bonus, you'll get a free domain name for the first year. So whether it's a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, you can get started without spending a fortune. Here's the best part. You don't need to go hunting for promo codes. I've made it super easy. Just check the link in the description below, click it, and boom, the 91% discount and free domain will automatically apply at checkout. No stress, no gimmicks, just straight up savings. But heads up, this deal's only live during Black Friday week, so you've got to act fast. Once it's gone, it's gone. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to grab web hosting, this is it. Click the link in the description, snag that coupon, and get Hostinger hosting for up to 91% off, plus your free domain today. Happy building, and enjoy those Black Friday savings.